Hello, so welcome to my Premier Inn. We'll just turn the lights on. You have to put the card in to make the lights work. But this is what the Premier Inn London City Tower Hill looks like as you come in. Sorry, I've left my face mask on the bed. So I thought I'd give you a tour of the room, literally as I go in, so you can see what it looks like. So it's a bit dark, but it's nice. It's nice subdued lighting. Let me step into the light and see if I can turn some more lights on. There's a light switch by the side of the bed there. So not all the bulbs are functioning, but that's okay. It's good because I kind of like the ambience. Let me give you a 360 spin around the room. I believe this is one of the family rooms. I think I picked this up for £110 for the night, which is, I think, quite a good deal for something in central London. I'm in the lower ground floor, so it's the -1 floor, and so it's the bottom floor. I was a bit worried about that, but then I thought, well, actually, it's probably a lot quieter down here. There are 2 windows that seem to look out into the street. This is a quick time jump. This is the morning after, and I'll show you the view from the window. This is the view from the window. Obviously, you know, it's a city budget chain hotel. You're not here for the view. You're here for the nice room, the nice warm room for the nights. But if you are curious about the view situation, this is what it's like on this floor. So let me draw the curtains to make it look all nice. It feels really clean. You know, sometimes you go into a chain hotel, a budget chain hotel, and I don't know, there's just, it's like a lip service to cleanliness. This does actually feel really clean. The surfaces feel properly clean. The curtains aren't dusty, which is usually something else that you get. And the bed looks confidently clean. There's some give in it. Should I throw myself back on it? Yeah, I mean, this feels like a firm, soft bed. So it's not one of those ones that feels really clapped out. It does actually feel like a really good kind of firmness there. And then underneath, because it's a family room, I think there's a pull-out bed. Yeah, so you have to move the side table. Let me pull this out for you to show you the pull-out bed. And I don't know, maybe they provide a mattress if you check in with a child or a family member. So this is where the magic happens, into the bathroom. And it looks really clean and well appointed. There's nice lighting here, a clean sink, and hello, nice big mirror. Again, usually in budget chain hotels, you have, I don't know, sort of mould or bits of sealant missing, but this all looks very, very well kept. Very clean sink and a soap dispenser. But this is the shower. It has a nice plastic door there. Whoa, clank. Sorry, next door. And yeah, it looks really super clean. There are some kind of bits missing from the fittings, but it's very clean. There's a gel dispenser there and a clean shower head, which is all that you want, isn't it? But another sort of bit missing there. But you know, overall it's really clean and looks well maintained. There's a little seat if you want to sit down, which is nice and ponder life's thoughts. So the door goes like that. Crucially, let me show you what the shower pressure is like. I've got it completely turned up. You know, it's moderately powerful. It's great. It's not a power shower. That's powerful enough for a substantial shower, which is, I guess, one of the only things you really need in a budget chain hotel room. Clean towels, and there was a bath mat which I laid down on the floor there. Very clean toilet as well, and new looking seat, so the seat doesn't look damaged, which is wonderful. And there's the flush. So that's pretty much the tour of the bathroom. Do you know what, for the price, it's really not bad at all, and it feels clean. That's the most important thing. Let me show you around the rest of the room, which is obviously, I say the rest of the room, and all there is left. There's a mirror, armchair. There's some coffee making facilities. Again, sorry it's so dark. We've got a kettle, and what's in here? There's a couple of tea bags and some milk and coffee sachets, a couple of glasses and mugs. And then over here is a desk area with a chair. There's loads of space in this family room. So that's a distance of about 1.5 meters, 2 meters between the bed. Let me give you some geography. There's a bed and the desk area. I've messed it up charging up my phone and laptop. But there's a TV with remote control, a hairdryer, which as you can see I probably won't need, but it's nice to have. So we've got all the Freeview channels. Look, there's a control panel here. I switch it on. You've got a heater and air conditioning going on there. A couple of nice pictures to soften the mood. This is the hang-up area with fixed hangers. And then what's great about this, because one bugbear I have with the Premier Inn chain is that they have these fire doors that go clonk through the night. There are nice open corridors here, so I'm hoping for a quiet night without people coming in late with the clonk donk. Let's have a look in the corridor. I'll be quiet. We'll just point the camera out the door. And if you want to see a comparison between the Premier Inn City Hotel with a regular Premier Inn hotel, this is the Premier Inn Farnborough. We're comparing the City Hotel family room with a regular room in the Premier Inn Farnborough. Let me give you a little swing around the room. So this is what it looks like when you walk in. First walk in, obviously I'll trash it myself, but this is first impressions review of the Premier Inn. It's really cozy and tidy. It seems super clean. Up here in the luggage rack and wardrobe area, we've got, what's this? Some spare soft pillows. That's great. We didn't get that in the City Hotel. There's a little fan up there, I guess for the summer months maybe, and desk area. But we get the welcome documentation and menus over here. There's a generous TV screen that's wall mounted rather than on the table. Nice mirror, hello. And there's a couch / spare bed. So in the other hotel, in the family room, that it was kind of pull out on casters. This one is a couch that's ready here. So I wonder if this is a family room. Let's take a look out the window before we go to the bed where the magic happens. So obviously, trademark Premier Inn signature car park view from the window, but that's good. That's what you get with a value chain hotel. And this is the bed. It looks super clean, super inviting, with a USB port right next to the bed. They know exactly how I roll. And main light switch from the bed. That's good. And then a little side lamp. Wonderful art, and we have got a heating control. So this is the heating and air conditioning. You can set the room temperature there. The main difference is that obviously all the electricity in the City Hotel was by the door and you had to put your key card in to make anything work. But let's flip the switch and take a look at the bathroom. Oh my goodness, this looks nicer than the City Hotel. So we have, hello again, it's me. We've got a nice big mirror, super clean sink area with our soap dispenser and lovely inviting toilet there. And then this is a marked difference from the London City Hotel, but we've got a shower with shower curtain and an actual bath. Oh, it's a tub. You can have a bath. Oh, that is super luxury. And my goodness, is this clean? I don't know if it's new. Sorry, we've got a fan noise going on here, but this is lovely. And I'll just do a power test. So we've got the tap for the bath and we pull the switch. That's a nice sprinkle there. Not a power shower, but not exactly a trickle either. That's a lovely inviting shower there. So my goodness, that would score highly on my imaginary scorecard there with the shower. If you made it to this point of the video, why not hit the thumbs up? It'd be lovely to hear from you in the comments below. And if you're awesome enough to take me one step closer to 1,000 subscribers, thanks so much for subscribing. And right here is what YouTube thinks you should be watching next.
Can you please help my daddy get 10,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye! Alright, this is going to be the proper one, right?